Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're just gonna do a FabFitFun unboxing because what else are we gonna do? I created this look. You must have already seen it. If you haven't, I'm gonna add it to the cards right here. You can click and go watch. I'm wearing the Natasha Denona Chromium Liquid multi-chrome eyeshadow, whatever it's called. I don't know why brands do such long names with their products, but that's what it is. It's in the shade Scarab. That's what it looks like. And I'm also wearing one of the Melt Digital Dust Royal blushes in the new blush duos that they came out, and I'm wearing Queen Bee. So I'm just gonna get right into it. If you're interested to see this video, then just keep on watching.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Alright, so this time I have one of these like giant boxes. That's because I got one add-on. I'm just going to try and place this here on my desk. I don't know if I can, but I got some scissors. I'm going to open this up. I don't even know what the box looks like. I guess it looks like that. I haven't watched anyone's videos, but I mean, I did customize mine. So I do remember some of the things that I got, at least a few of them. How is this? Oh, maybe this is the box. I guess they're doing more like cardboardy themed. Yep, looks like that's the box. That's the inside there. I'm gonna put it down over here. This has my receipt. Okay, so I have my receipt for my add-on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my add-on first. So my add-on is a set of LUXIE brushes. They were on for like 17 bucks or something ridiculous. So I have a ton of eye brushes. I don't have a lot of face brushes. I did just get the BK Beauty ones, Britt Clark's bundle. Jamie was kind enough to send them to me. If you don't know Jamie, guys, she's got a new page. It's called her handle is Makeup Release Radar. I'll stick it here for you. Please go and follow her. She's got the latest on all things indie, all things luxury, all things drugstore, or just like regular makeup. It's all on her page. She posts about new releases, about sales, new brands, new collections, discount codes, restocks, you name it. And she's so fast. She's so fast. She's faster than Trend Mood. So you want to go check her out. Anyway, she's kind enough to send me the BK Beauty brushes. And that came with 2 face brushes and 3 eye brushes. I love them. I am a fan of LUXIE, but I've only got like 2 or 3. And so this was like a face one. There's a large fluff brush, whatever that means, I guess like powder. There's a large powder brush, a foundation brush, and a blush brush. I don't really use those kind of foundation brushes, but we'll see. Sometimes I do. So I think regular price for this is quite a bit, but it was on for 17 bucks. So I couldn't pass it up because that's kind of cheap. The next thing that's on top. Oh wait, did I not get a magazine? Okay. Well, this was right on top and it was above like the actual packaging. So I do get a magazine. It was just underneath everything else for whatever reason. So this time the magazine is no longer that, you know, plasticky magazine paper. It's actually like almost like newspaper-y feel. It's like a newspaper-y feel. Basically shows you everything that's inside the box. So I'm going to use this to reference to tell you how much everything costs. So the first thing, and you know what? I don't like that they went back to their old layout. Do you guys remember in my last video I talked about their layout, where they had like everything boxed off and everything was listed by what it was, how much it was, the description? Not this time. So the first thing I got is this cuticle oil. It's by NCLA. It's the So Rich Cuticle Oil in Horchata. I don't know. This is $18. I was going to pick something else from this category. I don't remember what else there was. The reason I went with this is because I have such dry cuticles and I need something to fix them. So I don't think I have a cuticle oil, so I got this one. I figured why not? Maybe if I have one, I'll actually use it. Will I? Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. The next thing I got is a makeup palette, and it is the one by Beauty Bakery called Proof is in the Pudding. It's an eyeshadow palette. I think this has been in these boxes before, or it's been in BoxyCharm. I can't remember. I feel like it's been in FabFitFun before. This is regular price $38, and so cute. I mean, it's kind of kiddish looking, but it's so cute. The inside looks like this. So the top has like these, are they lemons? No, they're bananas. They're little banana slices. And it's just an all neutral palette. So you get 9 shades. You get 9 shades. So they go like that. But I wanted to try this out. I haven't tried anything by Beauty Bakery like ever. Sorry, every time I hold something up, I go really dark. Can't do anything about my lighting right now, but I'm excited to try this out. It's kind of a boring neutral palette, but I wanted to try Beauty Bakery's formula, so I figured maybe this was the way to do it. If you guys have this one, let me know your thoughts. I've never really tried anything by Beauty Bakery, so I don't know. The next item is another makeup product. I got the Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm clearly on like a brow product kick right now. This guy, I've never tried this one. I have their Dip Brow Gel, so I haven't tried this one. So I figured why not? If I can get it in my box, sure thing. So this one is $22 and it's just a clear gel. I wonder what the packaging looks like. I think it's just silver. That's what it looks like on there. I'm probably not going to open this one because I have a few brow gels running right now. So maybe I'll test this when something finishes, but I feel like it's just going to be a little too much otherwise. The next thing, got some coupons or gift cards or whatever. Got more. Pass this on to a friend. I can get someone 15 bucks off of their first FabFitFun box. I'm just gonna see, can you guys read it there? I don't know if you can read it there. If you can read it there, it's all yours. If you can't, let me know in the comments down below and I'll give it to you. And then you get a coupon from Bright Sellers. It just says, sometimes you don't need an inspirational quote, you just need wine. Very true. Very, very true. Is there more of those? Please tell me it's over. Okay. What is this? Ooh. I don't know how I feel about the scent, but this is interesting. So this is something I didn't pick. This is I think the brand is called VOESH. VOESH New York Pedicure in a Box Duo in Pumpkin Spice. I mean, I'm okay with pumpkin spice. I don't know how I feel about it on my feet. We'll see. It's a $20 product, so that's kind of cool. I guess you like soak it in something. What do you soak it in water? Do I need like a tub to put this in? I don't even know. Interesting. I've never heard of such a like a pedicure kit. It's new to me. The next thing in here, which I don't think I picked either. This is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. It says it's color safe, so I'm assuming that's for hair. Maybe I did pick this. I don't know. Jamie kind of got me into wanting to try more hair masks, so we will try that one. It's cruelty free, which is awesome, and it's bamboo and keratin fortified. So we'll give that a shot. I'll let you guys know how much, or I'll let you know how it is, but I will let you know how much it is too. This costs $16, so it's not really a high value. I mean, $16 is pretty typical. I think the Briogeo one costs quite a bit, so not too bummed about that price tag. Ooh, I haven't tried this brand before, but I've heard really good things. This is the Beauty Crop. I think, do you guys get that in FabFitFun or BoxyCharm? I feel like BoxyCharm gets Beauty Crop. I've never tried anything by them. I'm thinking they're cruelty free. Yeah, they are. They're cruelty free, and then it's nourished with coconut and argan oil, and it's vegan. It is their Glow Milk, so I'm guessing it's a highlighter. I want to open this up and see. But this is, how much are you? $19.50. Everything I got is pretty low value. So the shade that I got is Blind Date. This is what it looks like. I mean, I wish this kind of came in a summer box because I would have used it for summer. Still nice, but maybe I won't open it and maybe I'll wait till next summer. To me, liquid highlights aren't really for the fall. I mean, I am drier, but I would prefer something like that for the summertime. What else? Oh, I guess my two larger items. So this is my next item. Before I open it, I'm going to let you guys know what it is. I'm still recording, just making sure. What is this? This isn't the scarf. Is it? Maybe it's the scarf. Oh, maybe that's what it is. I think it's the Soya and Kayo. Yep, Soya and Kayo woven SCARFIGAN with fringe. This one retails for $85. So this one is basically like a scarf and a cardigan in one. I'll show you what it looks like. And maybe I'll put it on. I'm in pajamas, so don't judge me if you see my pajama pants, but that's how we roll here when we do YouTube. So it's this beautiful, beautiful pink. Okay, so it's just one of, you know, these things that part goes behind your neck. This part goes over. And then if you can see, it just kind of goes like this. And it kind of sits over your arms. And it wraps all the way around. So I can't really show you. I feel like I'm not getting a really good enough angle. Let me zoom you out. There, can you tell? You can kind of tell. See my pajamas? Okay, yeah, so that's what it looks like. And it's super cozy feeling, so this is going to be great for the days that I'm at the office and it's super chilly in there, so that's what I'll use this for. But that's what this is. I'm just going to sit here in it now because why not? I'm going to zoom you guys back in a little bit. And I can't believe it's $85 for this. I think we're on the last item, which kind of smells funky. It's a backpack. This was one that I also picked. I'm just going to find the price tag. Oh, it's this that kind of smells. Where's this made, I wonder? Maybe I'm not gonna wear it. Oh no, it's one of those that sheds all over you. Dry clean only, of course. It's made in China. It's 100% acrylic. It is beautiful though. I love the colors. But it sheds. Look, it's all over me. It looks like I have dog hair everywhere. Anyways, the last item that I got is the BOTKIER is the brand, I believe. And I got, they had two different items. So you could get a tote bag or a backpack. I ended up choosing the backpack because I don't really like carrying tote bags, especially ones that are super large. I mean, if you have kids and you need a diaper bag, that would be an awesome diaper bag. But I got the New York Trigger backpack, which retails for $100. So it's a tiny one. It's more of like that kind of vinyl, nylon, no, not vinyl, nylon material down here. And then it's got leather up here and on the back. And that's what the straps look like. And so when you open it, you've got two zippers here. You can slip like your phone and your important cards and stuff in there. And then you've got just the main pocket. So I might actually start using this, but I end up filling up these tiny backpacks like so fast. That's so cute though. I really like that. That'll be good for fall actually, because here in Vancouver, I work out further from where I live. We get a lot of rain, so this material is gonna do really, really well. So that's what that is. I am just gonna go calculate my total and I'll be right back to tell you what the value of my box is. Okay, so according to the little magazine, the total value of your box can range anywhere between $214 to $544. Although I don't really think you can always choose the highest amount one. So I don't know if you would actually hit $5.44 unless you get a really specialized box. But mine actually totaled to $318 or $318.50, I should say. It was like $318.50, but whatever, that still makes sense, right? What? It's late. I had a long day. Don't come at me, okay? $318.50 is the value of my box. To me, that's a pretty decent value. I'm okay with it. This time around, I customized my box to things that I actually liked and thought I would, you know, use. The things that I didn't customize, I'm actually kind of excited about. So the things that I didn't customize, I think was this thing for sure. I feel like maybe the hair mask and this. I think those were the three that were chosen for me, which, you know what, I'm happy with 2 out of the 3 for sure. This one I'm unsure about, but I'll try it out and I'll let you guys know. And that's it for this video. Literally, I just wanted to get it one and done. I mean, it wasn't one and done, but you know, close enough. Let me know what you think of my box. Did you guys receive your fall boxes yet? And how do you feel? I love fall. Like, fall is my favorite season and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I really, like, I know this sheds, but I'm excited. I can't wait to like start wearing sweaters and, you know, just jeans and boots and all that kind of fun stuff. So I am super excited about some of this stuff and can't wait to try it out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and please go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't enjoy this video, then go ahead and hit the thumbs down. That's okay too. I just want to know what you think, what you're feeling, where your head is at. That way I know what kind of content to put out for you. And if you haven't, please do consider subscribing. I would love to have you here as a part of my little family on YouTube. I love chatting with you guys, and I've made so many amazing friends on here. So please go ahead and join us if you like. If not, you can always consider giving us a chance for a few videos, and if it's not your cup of tea, you're welcome to leave. It's totally okay. Share this out. Tag FabFitFun, tag me, tag brands that I've featured or whatever. I would love to see all of that, and I will retweet, repost, or whatever you guys do, because I love that kind of stuff. And I am like endlessly appreciative of all the support you guys give me. That's gonna be it for this one, guys. I'm gonna have to see you in the next video. I really don't want to go wash my face off right now, but that's what I gotta do. What do you guys think? Check out that video if you haven't. It was in the cards earlier. I will link it in the down bar as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.